Account registration. Operation 1. Change account. 1. Click Me. Then click Settings in the top left corner. 2. Click Account and Security to enter the account management page. 3. If you need to change your mobile phone number, click Mobile Number. If you need to change your email address, click Email Address. The following is an example of changing your email address. 4. Click Change Mailbox. 5. Enter the account password set to change it. Operation 2. Forgot password. If you forget your password, you can follow the procedures and retrieve it. 1. Click Forgot Password. 2. Enter the mobile number, email that you used to register and click Get Verification Code. 3. Enter the verification code you receive via SMS or email. 4. Enter your new password and click Done to reset the password.